Yo, Mike here. So today we're roasting Karthik. Okay, first of all, uh, looks well. The branding, I like the coloring, the purple and that dark theme looks pretty good. Okay, but initial problems, right? Looks a little bit cluttered, very cluttered, to be honest. Too much going on, and it starts with the top here. Okay, fine. Increase your revenue by 10 to 30%. I wouldn't have a question mark here. I would just literally say that. Scale up your brand in 60 days or less. Perfect. Get rid of the question mark. Uh, don't say DM me emails to get started. Follow me to learn more. That's what I would have here. Okay. You want people booking calls, not DMing you saying emails. So what am I getting started with? I don't know. Right. So follow me to learn more. Uh, the middle here is okay. It's really big. To be honest, this email, or the what's this called? This email thing is way too big, right? The letter. You don't need your at here. There's no need. Let's get rid of that. I like the branding in the background. I like that a lot. But on laptop here, I can't see what this says. Right, sale, sale. Okay, to me it doesn't make sense. I would get rid of this. Just get rid of the sale, the cloud, and that's that. Okay, it can't be seen on laptop anyway. I'd actually remove your second name here, unless it's something you really want to have in there. It's just for the size of it. It's just the whole thing is really long, rather than Karthik, the email marketer, right? It just makes it way longer than it needs to be. My name's really short, so I'm lucky to be able to do that. Um, so yeah, but that's just a small point. I would then put an emoji at the end of your name. Maybe it's you know what, a great emoji you could use is that like Gmail emoji, right, or a mail emoji, something like that, and that would stand out a lot more. I help DTC e-commerce brands. They're mm, nah, I get rid of the emoji here. Just say brands increase their revenue by up to 30% with storytelling emails. I would just say with emails. Um, put a space in between here as well. 6x my clients average click rate. I like that. Uh, and then I would get rid of this, and I would say get rid of the marketing agency category. Say book a free call here. I like the free audit. That works. That works. Book a free audit here, and then your Calendly. Okay, so that's fine. Um, okay, you're dizzy. I like this. I like this. This is good. This is really good. I can't complain with this as a pinned video. Very, very good. I talked about how to use storytelling. Calendly plugging. Okay, change your Calendly picture here. Just put it as your face, or a company logo, something like that. The Calendly just looks bad. That's all. Um, you need to plug your Calendly much more, much more. You need more visuals as well. The content seems pretty good. It's tips, tricks, plenty of it. You need more visuals. You need more personal side of thing, personal stories, personal. Oh, here's my work setup today. Things like that. That will be important as well. Okay, you can get rid of the birthday as well. It's just too cluttered. It's just too much going on here. That's the biggest difference, really. But other than that, man, very good. Good work. Quite a few changes to make there that I think will be very beneficial for you.